So my name's Erin. I work as a graduate engineer / chemist at Encirc. When someone obviously said the word to me, manufacturing, I think everybody probably gets the same image in their head. You think it is a man's world, really. I never really knew of certain jobs out there until I obviously went to university and then started looking to see what I could do with my degree. I enjoy working with a lot of people that have a lot of experience within glass, and each one of them has got a different story to tell. They're all very eager to share what they know. I think that's a big thing, especially about the glass industry. There's always so much to learn, even though obviously you can form a glass bottle at the end of it. There's always so much that you can do more. So I'd probably say the teamwork is probably the best thing about being here. A couple of the projects that I'm involved in now, one of them is to do with sustainability. We're going to try and run our furnaces on biodiesel instead of natural gas. You basically have lower CO2 that's released, generally lower emissions. So obviously I've only been at the company between 5 and 6 months. Since being here, I've actually attended a women in manufacturing event. So that proved to me that it was something that Encirc were very passionate about. So they hosted this whole event just so women could feel a bit more appreciated within the company. By having more women in the industry, it lets, say, a younger me see that more women are capable of working in an industry like that, and it'll obviously have an uprise on the amount of people that would go to university or would take apprenticeships.